Hi folks, we're on 27s, Fanatec stuff, all second hand. Got the GoPro on my head, which is attached to a helmet, one of my motorcycle helmets as it happens, which is making my head bloody hot. So, for the problems I'm having to go through, I'd like you to comment, subscribe, press the little bell, the icon bell, so if you want to find out when the next video is coming out, it will tell you. Share. Be kind. Share your life. Oh, to the point, share my video. Anyway, we're only on a practice. I don't know why the bloody green line's on, to be honest. Can't remember putting that on. Don't normally use that. Anyway, as it's a new track, it won't be too much of an issue really, will it? Oh, these tyres are slippery, slippery, slippery. Very slippery, new pairs of boots. Yeah, they are slippery. Stop it. I'm after running between a 212 and a 213, as long as I'm consistent, that's all I'm bothered about. Let's not spit it off the track though immediately with slippery tyres. You have to tell me what this is like, because to be honest, I haven't got a clue what this is going to be like. Oh, there is one thing that bugs me though. Point of view. That's a programme on BBC, not the way your camera angle looks at you. So this is FPV, first person view, i.e. you're the first person viewing it from the camera, not POV. So, can we all start calling it FPV, please? It comes from the quadcopter world of race quadcopters. Not POV. Peter Orange's vasectomy. And that's what that'll be now then. They're starting to get warm. Whoa, still a bit slippery. It's my failing, that is. I do like to square corners off. Depends on the car really. I got told off for that? No. That wasn't squaring corners off, that was ballsing corners up. Let's get these tyres a bit warmer. That's the pit lane over there, look. Oh, forgot to tell you, for my birthday, what am I getting? Dead chuffed, my other half, bless her. We're having to send it from America, but we've got a bezel free kit coming. which is just basically you're paying for plastic prisms which bend the light from each side of the screen, which makes it look like it's got none of these lines on it. Or haven't you noticed them yet? And when you set them up, by all accounts, you have to reset your monitors up to have no bezels. So they say, but we will find out. Weirdly enough, I'm starting to follow this line they've put down. Other than there. So I can get the power on earlier if I do it my way. Anyway, comment, subscribe and all that shite. Can you do that for me please? Just to tell me if this is any good. And the sound, etc. See, I can get the power on earlier. Difficult corner, this one.
That's your fastest lap. You're now 2.6 off the pace. Your last lap time was at 2:12.72.
Oh no, how did I make that? I've got no idea I have made that. And he's off the track. No prizes for not finishing. And we're going to pull into the pits this time. I'm not absolutely sure how long I've been driving, so you don't want to watch it for years. Don't forget, subscribe, comment, press the little bell if you want any notifications. Share, it's so sweet to share. You never know, somebody might not watch this rubbish. So we're going in the pits this time, and just for a laugh, let's see how fast we can enter the pits. Here we go.
Watch your speed.
And he got black flagged that. So anyway, subscribe, comment, share, press the bell, and I'm here. There we go. Anyway, cheers folks. And the last bit of this is what? Yes, GoPro stop recording.